Unveiling the mystery of crocodile tears. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English idiom, shedding crocodile tears. This phrase might conjure images of reptiles crying, but trust us, there's more to it than meets the eye. Get ready to uncover the meaning, origin, and use of this expression in everyday English. When someone is said to shed crocodile tears, they're displaying fake sorrow or insincerity. It's an accusation of pretending to be upset or affected by something more than one actually is. Think of it as crying to deceive or manipulate others, rather than out of genuine emotion. The phrase, shed crocodile tears, has a fascinating backstory. It originates from an ancient belief that crocodiles weep while consuming their prey. This imagery was thought to symbolize the ultimate form of hypocrisy, appearing emotional or remorseful while actually causing harm or feeling nothing. Over centuries, this concept evolved into the idiom we use today, embodying the idea of false or exaggerated sadness. Using shed crocodile tears correctly can add flair to your English. Here are a few examples. Despite her crocodile tears at the meeting, she was actually glad about the decision. He's just shedding crocodile tears to gain sympathy. He doesn't really care. Don't be fooled by their crocodile tears. They're not truly upset. These examples show how the phrase can describe dishonesty or manipulation through feigned emotions. Understanding this idiom is not just about language learning. It's also about navigating social interactions. Recognizing when someone might be shedding crocodile tears helps in identifying insincerity, thus enabling better judgment of situations and people's intentions. However, it's important to approach such judgments with caution, as interpreting emotions can be complex. We hope this exploration of shedding crocodile tears enriches your understanding of English idioms and adds a new layer to your communication skills. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the stories and cultural nuances behind them. Keep exploring, and let the beauty of language continue to amaze you. See you in our next video adventure.